Hi, my name is John Hauk. I'm going to show you today how to do a sculptured nail using cover pink. So first I'm going to take my sculpture form, pull it back. I'm going to match and attach these corners so it leaves a nice C-curve. Right. Come in the back where there's a perforated line, open it up, and then it's ready to apply. Right. So what we have right now is an already prepped nail. It's ready to go. We've prepped with the 180 grit and it's already cleansed. I'm going to go ahead and take my form, apply my form, secure it, and then we can begin. So right now we're at an area where if you want to use primer, that you can. Go ahead and apply your primer. I'm not going to use primer. I'm going to go ahead and begin to apply my powders. I'm first going to start with my cover pink. And what I'm going to do is bring cover pink into the stress area using brush angles, tilt back, begin to go over the cuticle area, letting this melt forward. Begin to wipe and create a smile line in with my brush. When I'm done, I'll bring competition white, press down right in front of my pink, apply it up into the right and left side, and then finish it off. So I'm going to begin with my cover pink. I'm going to place right down at the stress area. This is a 2-to-1 liquid powder ratio. Push all the way to the cuticle. Let it begin to melt in. It's 2-part liquid, 1 part powder. Begin to let it set up. All right. Then you can come in, start to make your smile line. Always keep your brush nice and moist. Use that brush so that you won't have to use the file. Alright, look at the nail at all different directions. So you can create that perfect smile line. Again, remember when we go to push our white, we're going to go right up against that wall that we created. Right, so we're just going to slightly slope it into position. This cover pink has many uses. We can cover up any imperfect nails, or if someone is a nail biter, it's perfect to create or lengthen a natural nail plate to make that beautiful perfect nail. Alright, I'm going to come in with my white. After you've applied your cover pink, we're going to apply our competition white. Apply your white right in front of the pink and push up into the wall. Just let the white run around the wall that you've made. One thing to remember is when you, after laying the pink is still very warm because it's still curing. So when that white hits the pink, it's going to cure even faster because it's warm. Acrylic is temperature sensitive, so it's something to keep in mind. The warmer it is, the faster it's going to go. Keep working with your brush to get the desired shape. I'm going to take a little bit of clear to bridge the gap between the pink and the white. apply a little bit of clear powder right through the center and press into position. Again, we're using this very, very thin, just enough to bridge that together. All right. As this begins to set, I'm going to come in using the side of my brush to help pinch in the side walls. There's other pinching tools that you can also use. I prefer just to use the side of my brush. I'm going to go ahead and remove my form. Again, still setting, so it's not all the way cured yet. So I'm going to come in and pinch it down just a little bit more, put a little more C-curve in it. Now I'm going to come in using a 180 grit file. I want to start off by filing. I'm going to come in with my side wall, then my groove wall, free edge, cuticle area, bringing it together at the apex, which is center, the highest point of my nail. So I'm going to go ahead and come in right at the side wall, straight up and down. I'm going to come straight out. Come to the other side, do the same thing. Be consistent in your filing. Straight up and down. I'm going to tilt inward. We're going to begin to file the nail up toward the dome of the nail. So I begin to tilt my file inward. Right? What you don't want to do is tilt your nail the other way, because what that's going to do is cut out your side wall that you want in place. Right? So straight up and down, you can tilt inward. Now I'm going to do my side wall straight out from the nail. Right? I'm going to do my free edge. Do my cuticle area. Again, using a file with a very light touch. You shouldn't have to do much filing anyway because we did the work with our brush. So we do less filing with our file. Alright. Now I'm going to come across the top of the nail, machining it, going in a circular motion. This is what's going to give it that aerodynamic shape. It also helps, it keeps you from filing any flat spots into the nail. This is a common mistake that I see throughout the world. People will take a file, they hold it in one position over the nail, and they just saw back and forth, filing flat spots into the nail. So going in that circular motion to form that nail is very important. Use a brush and dust off any debris. I'm going to be using Top Gloss from Light Elegance. It's a finishing gel. Apply it very thin, just like a top coat. This is a 2-minute cure, UV. Make sure you cap the free edge. Go ahead and put into your UV lamp. Cure for 2 minutes. After curing for 2 minutes, remove the nail from the UV lamp. We're going to finish off with cuticle oil. Just around the cuticle, not all across the nail. Let it absorb in, and you're finished. Just cover pink and white. Thanks for watching.